Yo, part 1, the construction site for me, but part 3 for you guys. Part 3 for you guys. King Crumble, King Cream, King Cookie, King Koala. So, I don't know what we're going to try to do. So, let's go. And this is my 3rd video. So,
have you even uploaded?
Yeah, they're all, both of the other 2 are uploaded. Shut up! My camera just quit. So, yeah, we're in. Yo, bro, that's nice water there. Yeah, I mean, I don't advise. Okay. So, I'm freaking crazy. I was on there and I fell. I hit my butt. My butt's hurting bad. Like, it was gnarly.
Well, there's only one group of 3. One group. Let's go in that giant. Okay, that's
Bro, come on. You guys are weak.
You're weak.
If there are people over there, I don't know how they haven't noticed us yet.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording again.
Yo, this is lit.
Okay, so there's literally nobody
So,
there.
construction site part 1 for me, as I said.
This is the best.
So yeah,
episode.
see you when something interesting happens.
I wanna go all the way over
Bye.
there. That huge mountain? Yeah, okay.
Where?
Go around it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go.
Quit talking about it!
And go around.
Yo. Oh shoot! Yo. This is crazy. Dick.
Hey, there's a porta potty. You can hang out in that.
Bro, break it. I heard it. Yo, why'd you throw that? If there's anyone here, how would they not notice us?
Guys, we gotta go up.
Bro, go up the mountain. Yo! This is sketchy as frick.
Okay, so
It's just
going up
dirt.
this really fast mountain, then back to
Oh shoot! Okay. Apparently there's bikers.
literally look.
What Nick said?
They're so
T-Fox.
open right now, bro.
Yo. So apparently there's bikers.
Shaq is taking his time
Bro.
right now. Huh, okay.
Let's go.
No wonder you're gonna lose subscribers.
Yo, Shaq. It must suck to be a YouTuber like you. I'm doing this.
Look at that hill. I know.
Bro, I should deserve to be a part of the King Crew now.
You have to talk quiet. If there is anybody, they can easily.
I should deserve to be a part of the King Crew now.
He is, but now he's like more of a part than you.
Me?
Yeah. Look, yeah. You're more of a part than Shaq. Shaq's not even recording now. Because I don't like these videos. Because you're.
I guess I'm better than Shaq.
It's only boring because you're in a
King
Yeah.
Cookie, I still respect you. Oh no,
That was
King
good.
Cookie.
See, Shaquille is literally all the way
King
open.
Cookie.
He's not even hiding.
Yo. That's lit.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Keep moving.
I'll see you when something happens. Yo, what is that right there? There's those wood boards.
good
End of this video. Please give me
Yo. Shoot. Can you recommend me on your channels?
Yes, this is easy smashing. Like yo.
Oh,
Okay, we gotta sprint behind that mountain.
That mountain right there. Let's go. Is this not illegal? We found a path.
Let's see it on camera. Oh yes, orange. Just made it behind these orange trucks.
Yo.
Then back there.
What? Come on. Nick. Yo. King Cream. So, I'll see you when something happens.
This is some.
This is big.
Look at this. Look how far we made. You can't even see it.
Yo. There's a truck over there. Yo.
They're starting to build. Oh, that's what the title of the video should be.
They're building Trump's wall. Yeah, they're building Trump's wall. Yeah. Trump, I hate you. Don't hate me in the comments, please. See you when something happens. Grimble.
Dude, let's go to the island we made over there.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
There's a truck right there. Let's go.
I want to go check out that truck.
Yeah.
Yay.
Let's check out that truck. Our recording is horrible. Oh shoot! I almost fell.